Hello everybody, happy holidays. I'm very excited to show you our new build here in 2023, end of the year. It's a 49-inch display, super huge display, very impressive. We also have RGBs here with our build. You can see there's a lot of lights, the kids love it. We have a RTX 4090 graphics card and an MSI Ace Max motherboard, as well as a 14 gen CPU, i9 processor. So latest technology here. A lot of all the components actually can be found in the description below. So if you have any questions, let us know. All right, let's get right into it.